Hey guys, question, how often do I have to shave my head if I'm going to have scalp micropigmentation? Well, it all really depends. It depends on what your hair loss is. For some people, they can get away with a week, because they've still got bits and pieces. If you've got bits and pieces and we start filling that in, that's actually a really good advantage to have, because you might find you might not need to shave it as often because it can seem to blend a little bit more. If you are completely bald and you already got this bit through here and you are shaving that, then boom, you just carry on as per normal. The fact of it is that it's such a natural appearance. It looks like hair follicles even up close, and your friends and your wife and everyone's just going to freak out when they look up close. They can't tell the difference between the treatment and actually what your hair is. So it's actually quite easy to maintain. Some of us guys are hat people. We've been wearing hats all our freaking life, So if you can still put a hat on, but at least you know that you can present clean shaven, boom, you got the full head. Remember, longer is less hair, shorter is more hair. And that's what this treatment's so fantastic. It's great for that buzz cut look. Such a great, rugged, masculine, confident feeling hairstyle. Best hairstyle I've ever had, mate. No products and bits flopping around. It's way easier, way better, way better. If you want to find out more information, go to the Shadow Clinic. Check it out. I'm Adrian. Bye.